Hey, what's up guys? My name is Kyle Allen. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you on how to send out a property blast using HighLevel. So let's go ahead and go into my screen so that way you guys can send out a bulk request to all of your cash buyers if you guys are looking to wholesale some real estate. Okay. So what we're going to do inside of here is we're going to go to our contacts. And in this situation, we're actually going to blast this out to everyone inside of our database and kind of send it over to them, right? So what we want to do is we want to basically go ahead and hit all of these contacts, hit select all. Then what we're going to do is add to campaign. And then what we're going to do is then we're going to do the blast that I have here. So blast for the property. So you're going to select the campaign that you want. And then we always recommend that you do drip mode. So we're going to do 1,000 every single hour. Then we're going to end it at, because I don't want to get blown up at the night, 6 p.m. And we'll start it at, let's say, 9 a.m. Cool. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little description, property blast for 450. Drive. I'm going to hit add to campaign. Oops, got to hit the start date. Add to campaign and workflow. Oops, I got to just schedule it a couple days after, or a couple minutes after. And then now what it's going to do is it's going to add it to my bulk actions. So what we can do is we can go inside of here. It's reading the first 1,000. And then as soon as that date and time hits, which is what we set up for in a couple minutes, it's going to start sending these out here. And how you can know is if you go into your conversations, you can actually see anything that comes inside of here, right? So as soon as you guys get that information out there, you're going to have some more people that are obviously going to start looking at the property and calling you, asking for more information. So great way to dispo your properties if you guys are looking to wholesale real estate, or if you're a real estate agent and you want to blast it out to all of your contacts about a new listing that you have or any updates or anything like that. Or if you're a lender, you want to do the same thing. This is a great platform to do it on. So if you guys have any questions, go ahead and check out some of the resources that we have below, and I'll talk with you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.